Tyler here of Culp's Railroad, and I just came back from a long outing and a great day spending with my good friend Sam Hansen. I got to show him the Burien electric chain shop, and we went to Savvy Boats and at the South Center Mall and just hung out around the neighborhood. And now I'm to show you all the cool stuff that I got. All right, here we go. Yeah, I told him he didn't need to put bubble wrap in it since it was mostly O-gauge stuff, but you know, he insisted. I mean, first off, this nice Bachmann Union Pacific F9. I always wanted a Union Pacific F unit, but now I got one HO. And of course, some low-price rolling stock. I think he cut the price off of that since it was, he said it was damaged, but you know, I don't mind too much, as these are toys. They're loved and played with, and you know, battle scars, you know. And finding some 2 decently priced locomotives. Yep. A 1055 Texas Special FA2. Yeah, it's one of the low-priced ones and not as nicely detailed ones, but I did have an FA2 quite a few years ago, back in 2018. It was a Rio Grande one. I guess I sold it because that was around the time I was getting into HO, but also, to be honest, the Rio Grande post-war FA2, like from the 60s, I just think it's kind of ugly. But, you know, the red, you know, red's one of my favorite colors, as you can see in my profile picture. And also, an 1130 steamer. This is kind of what was like for the Scout engine. So it was nice. He had some 665 Hudsons, I think that's the number. But, yeah, I wasn't willing to spend that much for the time. So, I guess, it's that, you know, get to running this stuff now. Oops, wrong way. Okay.